Hi friends! So today I decided to go out shopping, de-stress from a long work week, and I visited a few stores. Home Goods, Ross, which I didn't find anything, and Hobby Lobby. Guys, I was so surprised. Hobby Lobby has 75% off select home decor clearance. So of course, I had to visit two Hobby Lobbies. They had a lot of stuff. So if you want to see what they have select 75% off clearance on, well, make sure you keep watching. And if you are new here, I would appreciate it if you would give the video a thumbs up, give it a like, and if you are not already a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and become a member of the family. So let's get on with our shopping.
You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till it's gone. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say, no one's gonna love you like I do. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say, no one's gonna love you like I do.
Alright guys, so they had some really great things at Hobby Lobby. So I also mentioned that I stopped at Home Goods. I didn't film in there because I didn't have a lot, but I found this really cute vessel, and I am going to probably paint this black and put it in my master bathroom. So make sure you stay tuned to see what I do with it. And as I said, I didn't pick up a lot from Hobby Lobby, but I saw these, and I'm about to make over my laundry room. And these say wash and dry, and I absolutely love them. They're actually like little pins, and they are more kind of, I guess you would say, a farmhouse style, but I think they could also be modern. So I picked them up and I'm going to use these in my laundry room. So I am going to be making that over. So make sure you stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. And oh, the other thing that I got is pretty big. So they had a lot of clearance photos, as you saw in the video. And I saw this and I thought it was really, really cute. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is how it looks. And it was $12.74, but I thought I could possibly use this in my master bedroom. And if not, I could actually take out this print and DIY something that I would actually like. And I got the frame and the glass, and it's pretty big for $12.74. So I figured I couldn't pass up the deal. If I don't like the print, I could change it, and it just saves me lots of money. So that is the last thing that I forgot. I also picked up these clearance candles from Hobby Lobby. This driftwood amber smells oh so good. Oh, I absolutely love it. I hope the scent carries throughout the home. And I also picked up this one. It's moss and black cypress. It also smells oh so good. Again, it's the time you need smell-o-vision. But I picked those up and I thought that was a great deal. To continue the home fragrance, I found these at Home Goods. They were $3.50 and they're from Zara Home. This one is Ginger Lily. I really love that. And this one is Pure Gardenia. I love the smell too. Both for $3.50, which I did not think was a bad deal at all. I mentioned that I went to Ross, but they didn't really have a lot there either, but I did find these little espresso mugs. They're a faux marble, and I thought they would be perfect for my coffee bar, and these were $5.99. So I'm going to use these on the coffee bar, and for $5.99, that's like a little more than $1 for each one, $1.25, so I can't go wrong with that. So that's the last thing I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys all in the next one.